Behrouz the Royal Biryani. Murgh-e-Nawabi Handi Biryani. Ordered the classic recipe mildly spicy via Tata No food delivery. Received in a royal metal handi casserole. The metal handi can be kept to reuse. Includes disposable cutlery, mint raita, gulab jamuns, too, and natural mouth freshener. Costs rupees 747 and 26 paisa via Tata No food delivery. Biryani serves two with about 5 pieces of boneless chicken. Is tasty with minimal ghee grease. We like it that way. The two small size gulab jamuns have sour taste to the syrup. Hope to have earned your subscription.